Following on from the last episode where we took the booster front calipers apart, this week we're actually going to reassemble them. So if I show you what I've done so far, laid everything out on the bench ready to go. During the week I've actually stripped the calipers, give them some paint. Still need a little bit of cleaning out, but they are looking a lot better. Thought I'd get this ready earlier, so everything's laid out. Got new mounting bolts, new caliper bolts. I've also cleaned up the brackets, so they're all nice and shiny now. Pistons are all cleaned. So I say I've just got a little bit more cleaning just to do inside, but they're looking a lot better. Also ordered myself a caliper seal kit. That came from local guys at Wiimoto, which was great. Really fast service on that one, so well impressed. So I'll take you through what's in the kit. As I said, I'll leave a link in the description below to this particular kit. It's a TRK brake seal kit. I mean, literally everything you need is in there. So I've got all the big seals, piston seals, dust seals. So there should be, I've got 8 big pistons, so there should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 8 complete sets for the big ones. There's the small ones, I'll lay them out in a sec. Absolutely brilliant. They even give you the banjo bolt copper washers to replace as well, which is fantastic. And you've got your splitter seals, red rubber grease, and your bleed nipples and bleed nipple caps. So literally everything is in this kit. So let's lay this out. Right, so the first bag, universal red rubber grease. Now I have seen online there are several ways different people do this. Some use brake fluid, some use red rubber grease. I'm not saying there is a right or a wrong way. It's up to the individual. I tend to use red rubber grease, but if you're happy using brake fluid. Right, so we've got the bleed nipple caps. Bleed nipple. There's your splitter seals, 2 per caliper. Copper washers, again 2 per caliper. Right, these are the smaller seals. So we've got 4 large seals. There's the smaller seals. And literally I'll leave these in the bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for that caliper. And 4 for that caliper. So there's everything laid out. So all the seals, pistons, bolts, etc. So I've just got to get some brake cleaner, just rub around on the clean out the inside bits a bit more, and also give these a bit of a clean up. And the same for this one, but they are looking a lot better. Alright, the tools I'll need when I start putting back together. So a 14mm spanner for the banjo bolt, small Allen key for the tiny bolts that sit in the dust cover, and another Allen key the bolts that hold it together. Alright, start with this one. Alright, start with the big one. I've already cleaned the pistons up. As I said, I've seen some people do this with brake fluid. It's entirely up to you which way you do it. Right, and the fatter seal goes inside in that lip there. So let's put that one in. So you should feel it locate. Let's clean off the excess. There we go, that's the first one in. There we go. The piston just pops in nicely. That's one done. Next one. Exactly the same again. That's the first one of that one. Again, you'll feel when it locates properly, and in that goes. So there we go, that's two done. Right, onto the smallers. There we go. Again with the dust seal. You feel it seat in place. There we go, there's 3 in already. Right, the other half. Exactly the same again. Right, and there's the 2 halves. Pistons and seals in. And the splitter seals. Right, now we just need to put it together. Bleed nipple, just leave that in loose for now. Already cleaned up the retaining pin. Just putting this in for now. Obviously I haven't got brake calipers yet, but literally leaving it in place so I know exactly where it is. Last thing for now, banjo bolt. Right, there you go. One rebuilt caliper. As I say, all I've got left is just the pads to go in. But that's completely done. Painted, new bolts, new pistons, new seals. Right, let's do the other one. exactly the same. Alright, exactly the same again as we did in the previous one. First half done. There we go, there's the second one done. Just got to bolt it together. Obviously not forgetting to split the seals first. Right, and that is literally two rebuilt calipers. Just got brake pads to go in at a later date. Look a lot different to what they did last episode, so but that's the difference it makes. So I've just given them a clean up, paint up. Helps with the new seals, pistons, bolts, etc. So there we go. Well, I hope that was helpful. I thought it was easier to do it over a two-part, one for the disassembly, one for the reassembly, but very happy with how they come out. So they're ready to go on the bike. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Also, if you'd like to follow me on Patron, which is a donation, they're greatly accepted. Obviously it helps fund my channel. So thanks for watching, see you again next time. Cheers, bye.